Checkpoint 2.1. Let's have a look. The question asks you to write down the first three terms in the general term Tn of the sequence, geometric sequence, according to each of the following conditions. Okay, so write down the first thing, first three terms, second thing, the general term Tn. Okay. Question 1 to 4. Let's do it. Number 1. First term is 3, common ratio is 4. So Tn, okay, maybe we write the first three term first. Okay, so the first term, second term, and the third term. I think it's easy, right? First term is 3. Second term, 3 times 4, so 12. And this one, 3 times 4 times 4, so 48, right? So what is Tn then? 3 times 4 to the power n minus 1. This is the n, okay? Cannot do any more simplification. Cannot, okay? This means 3 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. And there are total n minus 1 term. Okay? Number 2. First term, 512. How about the second one? 512 times 1 over 4. The third one, 512 times 1 over 4 and a square, right? So the first three terms are 512, 128, and 32. Okay? How about Tn? Not difficult. 512 times 1 over 4 to the power n minus 1, right? However, this one, remember to simplify. Do you know how to simplify? Yeah, this one. 512. What's this? Do you know? Think about 2 to the power something equals 512. Yeah. What is this? 2 to the power... Yeah, correct. 2 to the power 7. Okay, 2 to the power 7. And then how about 1 over 4? This one actually 2 square and then times n minus 1. Okay, so the power becomes like this. Okay, so as a result, 2 to the power 7 times 2 to the power 2 minus 2n, right? 2 to the power 2 minus 2n. Okay? So as a result, this one maybe make... sorry. Then this one equals... Okay, think about 512 equals to 2 to the power something. Do you know the power? And how about this one? Yeah, you know that this one is easy. 1 over 4, that means 1 over 2 square. Here is 2 to the power 9. Yeah. So as a result, 2 to the power 9 times 1 over 2 to the power 2 times n minus 1. That means 2 to the power 9 and then 2 to the power 2 minus 2n. As a result, 2 to the power 11 minus 2n. Okay? So remember to simplify if they have the same base. If they have the same base. Question 3. Question 3. The first three terms are, 7, and with a common ratio -2, so 7, -14, and the next one 28, correct. How about Tn? 7 times common ratio -2 to the power n minus 1. Like this. Question number 4. Okay, question number 4 you can try by yourself. Okay, let's have a look. Question number 5 to 8. Given that the following geometric sequences, write down the general term Tn of each sequence. Number 5, 520, 80, 320. How about this one? Okay, let's see. Question 5. Write down the 4 terms: 5, 20, 80, 320, etc. So what is the common ratio here? Correct. Just take the second one over the first one. Check one more. 80 over 20. And you found that this one equals 4. After finding the common ratio, then what is the general term? So the general term, that means Tn, equals 5 times 4 to the power n minus 1. And here, 5 and 4 are not the common base, not the same base, so this one is the answer. Okay? Maybe have a look one more examples. 6. T1, 192, 48, and then T4. So what is the general term? This time you don't have the first term, so first term you need to find it also, but you need to find the common ratio first. What is the common ratio? Remember, take the third one over the second one, later one over the previous one. So what's this? So this one is 1 over 4, right? Then try to find out the first term. What is the first term? Term 1, you can find it from this. 192 over 1 over 4. So what is the answer? 768, correct. So as a result, the general term equals 768 times 1 over 4 to the power n minus 1. Again, you need to think this one, how to simplify. Do you know? So this one you can write as 3 times 256. And 2 times 256, that means 2 to the power something. Do you know? This one actually 2 to the power 8, right? 2 to the power 8. So goes on 3 times 2 to the power 8, and this one times 2 to the power 2 minus 2n. Okay, so as a result, 3 times 2 to the power 10. Okay, maybe like this, 10 minus 2n. This is the answer. Okay. Question 7 and 8. Try by yourself.